Hello everyone. In this section, we are excited to present our innovative project, Berasil, Rice Quality Detection. This initiative is the culmination of dedicated efforts from our interdisciplinary team committed to addressing crucial issues in Indonesia's agricultural sector. Our team members include Ramdan, Sonia, Shafiq, Andi, Amel, Fadel, and Roman. Now I pass the session on to Amel to explain background of our project.
The unsustainable agri-food system. Agriculture is on the front lines of nearly all urgent global challenges, from hunger to climate change to rising inequality. Investment in agriculture has an important poverty reduction effect, especially among the poorest people. Recent data suggests that around 64.7 million people in Asia, 9.8% of the population, were undernourished or food insecure, with farmers and rural communities most vulnerable. Based on Food and Agriculture Organization Corporate Statistical Database, Indonesia is the largest rice producer country in 2021-2022, as well as the number one in Asia. Agriculture sector has still playing an important role in Indonesia economy. Rice is one of key agricultural commodities. Rice is a strategic commodity for Indonesia, not only as the main staple food for the majority of Indonesians, but it's also the most important commodity for the country. Now, Andy will talk about the reason we chose food security topic.
The problem associated with the rice production in Indonesia appears very complicated due to poor management of the sufficient national rice stock and various unfavorable public policies. The farmer generate revenue worth approximately 4,588 Indonesian rupiah per kilogram to 4,933 Indonesian rupiah per kilogram, while the trader and retailer acquire 9,386 Indonesian rupiah per kilogram to 10,056 Indonesian rupiah per kilogram. This condition appear unfair based on the higher risk prevalent from the farmer perspective. A previous report showed that more than a third, 37% of children under 5 were wrongly stunted, while 18% were estimated to be stunted. Indonesia ranked 5 among the countries with the highest burden of children who are inhibited. In fact, Indonesia is still importing rice almost every year. This situation is caused by several things, such as the quality and variety of rice, also cost consideration. While the government aspires to enhance the quality of rice, ensuring it possesses desirable traits such as being odorless, free from discoloration, without impurities or mold, and suitable for consumption. Currently, there is no application similar to our application, Berasil rice quality detection. But there is a research about identification of rice quality using computer vision. Rice is the predominant staple food in diet for more than half of population worldwide in its pivotal for human nutrition, energy supply, and food security. Now, let's smoothly transition to Nurma, who will explain innovative solution we are implementing.
Okay, introduction our project Berasil application, rice quality detection. By establishing a direct connection between our project and real-world issue, we commit to addressing critical issue in rice quality assessment. There are two features that Berasil deliver. First is rice quality detection due to empowering farmer and consumer with precision in every rice. The application that perform object parameter detection of white rice to classify its quality into 4 segments: premium, medium 1, medium 2, and poor. Second, insightful rice price to navigate the market confidently with real-time price information. This app implement a feature to fetch and display rice price based on 3 considerations: the user selected province, rice quality, and target market. For next development, we will deliver feature. First, nutrition education. Second, e-commerce platform. Third, integration with other agricultural technology like sensor and IoT device. Fourth, community urban farming initiative, promote local food production and empower community to grow their own product. There are 3 essence knowledge is needed to build this app. To shed light on this, I'll hand it over to Fadel, who will deliver deeper into machine learning implementation.
So this is a model project flow. The first one is collecting dataset. The dataset utilized by the original from Berasil team resize images to adapt for the input model. For labeling the images, we have 10 classes from the dataset. After labeling, we split the dataset to train and test. We use image augmentation for generate many images per train set because we have limited dataset. And we generate the TF code files. After that, we train and test the model. For training, we use faster RCNN model. After training was finished, we save or export the model with PB extension and deploy the model using Fast API. Let's go to the next slide to see the result of metrics performance. In training configuration for 50,000 epoch, and we got loss metrics. For information, if the loss metrics showing lower value, so we get better value. For accuracy, we use mean average precision or MAP with intersection over union or IOU. In this model, we got 92% of MAP at 0.50 IOU and 77 of MAP at 0.75 IOU. Let's extend the conversation. I'll hand it over to Ramdan to share insight on cloud computing implementation.
Implementation cloud computing in this application, we are make an API for authentication and authorization. We use Node.js, Express.js as a framework, and then we use PostgreSQL for database. We use PostgreSQL because this is free and this best SQL for future development. For best way to work with database, also we use Prisma ORM because we can develop and store data fast without worrying about SQL syntax. To make this API can access from everyone, we need to deploy this app and hosting it. We use Cloud Run to deploy this app, and for database, we use Cloud SQL from Google Cloud Platform. Now, to see the result how the API works, next let's keep the momentum going a Savik to discuss the mobile app development implementation.
Mobile development implementation. In a mobile development has a role in developing Android application, starting from creating wireframe, designing application, and developing Android application that can be used by user. We apply is MVVM design architecture. MVVM is an application development architecture that focus on the separation between code for business logic and application use. Okay, here is a live demo of the REST quality detection feature. Enjoy watching the video. Okay, the next is documentation. Here we attach a link to our repository for documentation. Let's seamlessly transition to Sonia, who will elaborate on business plan of our project.
Well, here is the timeline within 6 months ahead. The main features that we've done as our MVP for the REST quality detection include authentication of the identification, quality classification, and pricing. And here's our detailed budgeting. Then here's our summary budgeting. Our target customers is the person which age range is 17 to 50 years old, with roles as farmers, traders, and retailers of rice, researchers, and government. While stakeholders related to and benefited from our solutions are farmers benefit from fair revenue redistribution and rice quality. Then consumers gain access to accurate rice quality information, while government agencies benefit from transparent data for policymaking, and stakeholders in the entire supply chains benefit from increased efficiency and reduced import dependence. So, the way as our marketing strategy that we will implement our partnership with local NGOs, government agencies, and agricultural organizations, then collaborate with universities and research institutions, and next leverage existing community network and social media platform. While our analysis was in our project, strengths include precision in quality detection, real-time price examination, and user-friendly interface. While weakness of our project is dependency on technology, and opportunities of our project is market expansion and collaborate with government. And the last one, the threats, competitive landscape, and regulatory change. So, in conclusion, Berasil aims to contribute to a better agricultural landscape and food security in Indonesia. We believe our app will empower stakeholders and foster positive changes in the sector. Thank you for the attention and see you